Hey, son, you're right. I'm coming upstairs. Hey, what's wrong?
Nothing.
You sure? Mm-hmm. I thought I heard you yell.
No. I fell out of bed.
Huh? How'd you get over there?
Over where?
There.
Where?
There. How'd you get over there?
Who are we talking about?
Never mind. What's the difference? Look, the past is behind us, right? Tomorrow's going to be a new day.
Please be gone, 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 please be gone.